You may have short hair like this, or even a little bit longer, but during the day or even the next day, your hair gets a little bit oily, you feel like it's just falling flat, and you're not really happy, but you don't want to rewash your hair. You're kind of liking the texture of it, it's just a little bit dirty, right? You're not a dry shampoo person, you never used it before. You may actually have this product already, and if you don't, this is Tidal Wave, okay? Tidal Wave, if you don't know, it is my sea salt spray. It's literally my #1 selling product. It's been reformulated, it's been updated to where now it gives more texture to the hair. And what's so unique about this is that if you spray this, and this is the whole point about this thing, is sometimes it takes using a product. There's no other solution. If you don't want to wash your hair and get rid of all the stuff in your hair, whether it's products or whatever, or oil or sweat, whatever it is, you have to use products, okay? And there's no other way around it. So what I'm trying to offer you is a solution, okay, to help. And what's so unique about this particular product, my Sea Salt Tidal Wave spray, is that this acts like a dry shampoo. Believe it or not, during the testing, I made a number of discoveries that I just couldn't believe that this product did. So you're on day 2, okay? You have maybe short hairstyle like this. Your hair is a little bit flat, or you're feeling it's a little bit, on the oily side or greasy. You've been sweating a lot. It feels a little bit dirty. What you can do, literally, is spray in Tidal Wave like this, okay? 5 spritzes, 7 spritzes, whatever, okay? However long your hair is. And now the product is in your hair, and simply just work your hands through the hair, and you're gonna start to feel that kind of sea salt texture and that kind of grit come to life. And you're gonna start to see that, oh my gosh, it's soaking up all of the kind of dirt, the oils, and now it's just creating almost like a hair powder type of texture. This, to me, is literally, when I was first testing this and I noticed this, I said, wait a minute. This completely is a whole other product on its own, and look what the results. It's completely fully matte, okay? There's a lot of texture in it, and it's soaked up all the oil or sweat or dirt, whatever you got going on in your hair. I didn't have to blow dry my hair. I just literally worked it in with my hands, and now you're able to restyle, reshape your hair literally in seconds. That is what's so crazy about this. And, I just want to say, yes, I'm extremely proud of how this came out. I'm not going to BS you. I'm not trying to just promote something I don't believe in. This is my product. I stand behind this. As a hairstylist for over 20 years, I have used dozens and dozens of sea salt sprays, and this reformulation, the updated version, which has been out for months now, a couple of months. So if you've been getting it, you already know. But you need to have product. There's no other solution if you don't want to completely wash your hair and start all over from scratch. This could even be the end of the first day, right? Maybe your hair isn't dirty, it isn't greasy. You just want a little more texture. You feel like it's falling flat. You want to bring it back to life. Spray Tidal Wave in when your hair is fully dry. And obviously it works great on hair lengths like this because it's easy to absorb. But even if your hair is a little bit longer, you got a slick back, whatever it is, I'm telling you, it transforms almost into like a powder or dry shampoo consistency and texture. It works incredibly well. If you have fine hair, trust me, you're looking for more volume, you need to use this product. And this mannequin here, this is perfectly straight hair, and look at all the volume and texture it has just from spraying in Tidal Wave and styling it within less than 20 seconds. So that's it. That's what I want to talk to you about today. If you are interested in purchasing, use code YouTube20. That's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com.